I'm pretty fucked up from last night. Saludos de Puerto Rico. Buenos días. Hay gente que me están viendo desde, what, España. I was out till 4:30 last night. Oh, I had a coffee and a bagel, but I got a fucking headache, man. I got a fucking headache. Is it Thursday or is it Friday? Is it Thursday or is it Friday? Fuck. When are you gonna stop living like you're 24? I don't know, man. I've met a lot of dudes my age. Actually, last night, the owner of the bar. Oh, oh, yo. The owner of the bar. He's like 60, 65, man. Still, you know, it's like a Japanese speakeasy kind of thing. So they got like ramen and amazing drinks and great music. So there was nobody there. He didn't have his staff there or whatever. So he cooked the food. He was also the DJ and he was serving us drinks. It was amazing. And the dude was like 60, 60 and change. So y'all ain't got no fucking excuse. We got no excuse. That's all it is. You know, it's a muscle, right? It's a muscle. You gotta flex the muscle. That's it. That's all. All right. Let's take a look at shit this morning here. Duke is saying I can't stop thinking about trading 24/7. Any tips? Get a girlfriend. But then, actually, it's not always the best idea because she ain't gonna enjoy what you do anyway. Oh, you have one? Great. Talk to her. You don't talk to her? All right. GME, top name, had the earnings. It printed 29. I'm sitting there looking at it like 22, 23. Like, yo, this is a fucking short. Get 50,000 shares. And I didn't do it. I think this thing's going to zero. But they still made a billion and a quarter. I think it was a billion and a quarter. So who the fuck is still going to GameStop? So they fired their CEO too. And the earnings came in less than expected. But hold on, let me get the news up. Right? So tanked in pre-market trading, blah blah blah, fired the CEO. They still made 1.24 billion dollars in a quarter. How you do that? How does GameStop do that? Who the fuck goes to GameStop? There's no way you selling one point. I mean, I guess how many locations there are? I don't know how many locations there are. Carter is saying, I think about trading so much I jerk off to it. You have some serious issues, bro. Um, I think there's also some news on the Chewy. Also, did you see the CVNA? Remember, this is a name that we've been watching. Check this one out. 19 on the CVNA. Ask Chrissy Trades. He was gonna come down here to hang out. Now he's gonna go have a guys trip, and you know what that means. This motherfucker's gonna be in Panama City, ass out. Private chef, driver, blah 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 blah. What's Vibro? What the hell is that? Anyways, Um, CVNA like a firm. Um, oh, Airbnb. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. People still use that shit. VRBO. Let me see what's going on with this Chewy. Um, quietly, you have this Amazon up a couple points. As we know, tech sold off pretty aggressively yesterday. There was a um, there was a move into those banks yesterday, and let's see if that continues. I actually bought some KRE because I was just pissed off with not having any exposure to it. I actually bought some lottos on Pac West, um, which was trading 960 here in the pre-market, but it hasn't gone anywhere. So you see, I got 400 lot of Pac West here, and then you can see I wrote a ton of shit on pins, you know. But yesterday was fucking stressful, man. Yesterday was fucking stressful for real. Um, so I ended up struggling the whole day, overtrading the whole day. So it wasn't a great day for me. Um, yeah, that's it. Other than that, I got nothing. I got nothing. As far as small caps, that APRN, this is the blue apron. Did this reverse split? Did this reverse split? Is that what apron is all about? This looks like a reverse split on apron. And remember, this stock is, man, what a shit investment for a long time here. So you got apron reverse split. So I don't give a shit about that. Um, let's take a look at some of these other small caps here. I still wanted to see that U car. That U car hit $10 yesterday, by the way. So it looked like a reshort to me. Still looks like a short to me, but I don't want to fuck with it. BAOS. Somebody give me the news on this one. Bao Sheng Media Group. This is interesting. Akon. Cause I'm locked up. Don't let me down. That's not what he says. They said he says I'm locked up. They won't let me out. Let's see. Let's see what we got here.
This is Dave, head of marketing at a ketchup company
I
about
really
to
gotta
use
do something with these
Grammarly to
fucking
handle a
ads.
tight deadline.
This song. This shit got 200 million views on it. All right, get to the song, man.
Locked up, they won't let me out. And I had a long day in court, stress me out. Won't give me a bail, it can't.
Won't give me a bail. Whatever. Anyways. Oh, my bad. Was that super loud there? I don't know, man. I can't listen to rap. I can't listen to much rap. I mean, the reggae I can listen to. Cause you got a beat to it. You know what I mean? You can dance to it and all that kind of shit. Even though the words are just, what the fuck are we listening to kind of thing. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Silver and gold yesterday were moving. So it retraced. Silver and gold retraced the whole move and now they're trading right back up, which is very interesting. You see stuff like this, usually it means you got some upside. I actually like the buy on that silver, you know. Um, Yeah, Melvin's talking about the PTR. Yeah, the HD and UPS. Again, that's that rotation shit that we're talking about, right? So HD, UPS, Boeing, Caterpillar, all of these names are strong as fuck. They didn't care that the market sold off. They didn't care that tech sold off. But obviously, we know techs are very weighted. This Meta, by the way, is down two off the open. I was short this thing from 269. Oh man, huge trade there. Fuck that up. Fuck that up. Yeah, no, the Affirm faded the whole thing and the PLTR too. The PLTR was gross. That Tesla was strong relatively yesterday. I don't know if I'd take it long. Netflix here, $400 also faded the move up that it had. So there's a lot of names that totally reversed, and um, you could get some further selling on some of these things. D-Trade is saying have 360 CVNA weekly calls. Any advice on getting out? Bro, just fucking mark it out, bro. I don't know. You could also short the stock if you got enough. If you got enough cash to short 36,000 shares, you could lock it in all in right here. Short 36,000 shares and lock it in. But you ain't gonna do that. What was the news on it? What was the news on it? Ford. Yeah, Ford was another one. GM was another one. What do you need? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you. You just gotta slide. Yeah, gotta slide that. Good morning, Arma. CVNA updated guidance. Okay, so it was guidance. Okay. Um, Yo, I think that's my best idea today. Buy silver. That's my best idea today. So I'm gonna do it. And I haven't traded silver in such a long time, but I like it. So you gotta go with your gut. You gotta go with your gut. For a long or short? Yeah, I was thinking about just keeping it up on the radar kind of thing and just watching techs overall to see if they continue selling. If they do, great. If not, whatever. We're not dead. Let me get Senor Jesus up and running. Give me a second here for this to load. It's not loading great. Are you going to short off the open, Ben, or are you going to give it a second? All right. All right. Somebody's saying swinging a couple thousand shares, riot under 1020. Will evaluate. I mean, again, crypto will move with the text as well. So if the text bounce, chances are you get a bounce in crypto. I sold a shit ton of calls on crypto. Obviously, I got to watch this pins. No, it's a complete piece of shit. Transformers is out. Probably the shittiest movie of the trilogy. Let's see the preview.
It's time. Get ready for the best Transformers yet. It's
That's
the
Jason
perfect
Ramos.
summer movie. See it on the biggest
New York
screen
boy right
possible.
there, Puerto Rican.
Transformers: Rise of the Beasts. It's time. Get ready for the best Transformers yet. It's the perfect summer movie. See it on the biggest screen possible.
I thought Optimus Prime is dead. I thought he died. I thought they killed him. I thought they killed him. There's a new John Wick? They're still making John Wicks? Yo, if they did a Transformers Fast and Furious crossover, I am leaving the country. No, I'm leaving the planet. Okay? I'm gonna leave the planet, is what I'm gonna do. And by leave the planet, I mean go to. Where can I go where they just wouldn't watch the shit? I'll just go to the mountains. How about that? Just go to the fucking mountains. North Korea. There you go. That's where we're going. North Korea. I hope the food is as good as South Korea, though. I heard it wasn't. Because Korean food is fucking bomb. Yeah, I already live there. Yeah, so I'm going to just go the fuck up there. And then I'm never going to come back down. But that's bullshit because you fucking have to. All right. 1 minute to the open. I got pins and GME up on the radar, and then of course we are going to watch all the tech names as well as the banks to see if we get further rotation. Again, rotation has been the name of this move up. It's been all about that, and pins just dumped out to 24. Piece of shit. This thing is such a I hate this thing. I really hate this thing. And then remember, we have the Pac West, which is gapping down now at this point. Microsoft Quick Pop. Let's keep an eye on the Nvidia. Nvidia has a big level, 375 and change. Question is can it get it through? I don't know, and we will see. Let's take a look. I'm sitting here looking at this Microsoft here pop off the open. But again, Apple here point off the open. Remember, we did want to trade the silver, right? So the silver options open at 18 cents for the 22 calls, but obviously it's got an expiration for tomorrow, so I don't want that. Let me get the silver for next week, right? So I'm gonna buy 250 of the silver calls, and then you can see it over here. Um, right, you can see the silver down there somewhere. All right, so we bought 250 of the silver, so let's see how that goes. I wouldn't trade that if I were you. Somebody's talking about the Netflix. Yeah, man, Netflix. I mean, again, held up $400. This thing hasn't sold off yet at all. Pinterest here got smoked, 23.80. So they covered the whole program now. I hate this thing. In fact, I should have bought puts on it yesterday. I can't buy puts here. I mean, I suppose I could. Linsky, you're a little late, but yes, thank you. Nvidia here 378. Tesla here 225, looking pretty good. Pins here for the washout. Somebody's talking about Baba. JPM. Let's just cycle through a bunch of names here. Bank of America here, kind of selling. Let's take a look at the KRE. KRE selling a little bit. Natalia, ¿cómo abrimos? ¿Pero qué está pasando con el Zoom? ¿Ah? Ah, tú estás compartiendo en el holo.
Okay, we're at 216. Yeah. Great. See if it's up. Um,
Ah, bueno. So tenemos el CM down entonces.
I'll take a star right here.
Okay. Let's take a look at the CBNA. I mean, what did Homeboy do? Who said he has 360 contracts of this? Coin. Yeah, I forgot about that coin. 53 here on that coin. BTC is not really doing anything. FYI, that GS was up 10 points yesterday, so it probably is going to have an inside day today. Let's take a look at the BA. 214 on the BA. Remember, yesterday super bullish. Super bullish. This looks like a fucking good long, man. I'm hesitating though. I'm hesitating. I'm definitely hesitating, but it looks good. And it's moving too. You know what we could do? We could just sell the puts. I think that's what Ranchero's doing. We could just sell the puts, right? But if we sell the puts, we got to sell 207.5 for 14 cents. Fuck that shit, man. We could sell the 210s, but that's too close to the money. I'm gonna pull these up just in case. On the BA. Let's just try it. Let's try it and see what happens, right? We wrote 25 of the BA, 210 puts here. And then I kind of like the idea of playing stock. Check out that ENPH. Remember, couldn't break out yesterday. NVIDIA. Nice 3-point dump on that NVIDIA. Let's pull up those 375 puts on NVIDIA and see if we get any play there. I'm gonna watch the option here. Let's just watch the tape, watch the option here. Shop. Yo, Ben, that shop is trading $58 flat, bro. Flat. Are you short NVIDIA yet? Fucking Meta. Where's Meta at? Don't tell me it's in the 50s. Holy shit. What a 2-day. That's a nice 2-day move right there. That is a nice 2-day move right there. Pac West still selling. I would imagine KRE selling too. Yep. All right. Again, let's watch some tape on a video. Let's see if we can figure this one out. Let's just sit here and watch some tape on this thing. Tobias is saying thoughts on Unity. Let's take a look at this thing. No, I don't really have any thoughts on it. GME here trading 21. Matt is saying sell puts NEM, AEM, and gold. Let's take a look at silver again. 22.08 on the silver. Silver looks good. That looks like the only thing that's working. So let me try some more of that. Okay, let's keep an eye on the NVIDIA option here. Remember, we're watching the option to give us a sign that this thing can actually move and do something. Up, down, target? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, nice. 132 and a quarter, 132 and a half on the target. After selling trans baby clothes. After selling trans baby clothes. Check a look at NVIDIA pop here. 2-point pop on the NVIDIA. The puts just got smoked. This is, see, again, hence why you look at the option on, you look at the tape on both of them. You look at the tape on both of them. Right now, it's tough tape here. Um, that's a heavy, that is a heavy rip on the NVIDIA. I mean, if you like the short, maybe you can go for it here, but, you know, what are we talking about here? What's the 10 a.m. data that comes out? Carter's saying he's got snow puts. Snow's got, that's the second day move here on the snow. Let's take a look at the meta. Oh, Amazon was up on the morning upgrade. Okay, it was up 2 points on that. Um, other than that, what do we got here, guys? What do we really have here? GME pop. Check out the SLV. Look at the SLV. I got 500 of these long. This is the only thing that I got that's working. The SLV, by the way. Check out the SLV. Looks pretty strong, doesn't it? Gold here looks pretty strong too. Maybe buy some gold here too. GME 22. This thing is nuts. I don't really see anything yet that I can sink my teeth into. Win here is down a couple of points. Roku was super strong yesterday. I mean, 3 days had a 15-point fucking move, man. Arc here is still holding in. Yeah, he was talking about it this morning, AJ, on the GME. Long GME, short IWM. Nice. Um, AMD just kind of chilling again. We're sitting here watching that NVIDIA. You could short it up here. I kind of like the short idea up here, but I ain't going to do it. Let me pull up this FCNCA. 1262. Man, I'm tempted. I'm tempted here, guys, to put a fucking huge short on FCNCA. But I got to trade it smarter, man. I got to trade it smarter. I like it, though. I do like it. Let's check back in with the NVIDIA. Banks here. Just still kind of blah. KRE sold off. Sold off. The Pac West here sold off, too. Yeah, ask Chrissy Trades, bro. Maybe, stop being a herb. You know, maybe that might help out. Adobe. Whoa. Whoa. Are they incorporating some AI shit over there, or is that what's going on? Jobless claims worse than expected. Was that from the morning? Um, Ryan here got layers of Netflix calls. I have to imagine more upgrades coming. Shit. They said they were going to add 3 billion to their bottom line. You know. So what the fuck? Tesla 227. Yep, Tesla strong. Let's check back in with that BA. 213 on that BA. We could dip by this maybe. Somehow I don't like it. By the way, check out that Nvidia. 379 on that Nvidia. If they fade this, now maybe you short this. Maybe. Somebody's talking about the coin. Do we care? Not really. Remember, XOM was super strong yesterday. Guys, this looks like fucking chop. This looks like complete fucking chop. So, I got a bunch of BP. Let's go to work on SPX. Let's go to work. All right. What are we trading at right now on SPX? We're trading 42.69. Más o menos. Right. So we trade the 42.95 here, and let's sell this for $1. Let's trade this for $1. Adobe launches new design suite, Adobe Express. Lyft getting possible GM possible takeover news. Why the fuck would GM take over Lyft? Why? I mean, yeah, I don't get that one. Nvidia hit almost 380. Natalia, cuéntame. That CM is still strong. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Guys, I got nothing. I'm sorry, but I got nothing here. AMD, nice pop. Um, um, pins here trading 24 and a nickel. Silver. Hi-yo silver. You know what? Let's go. Let's go with the classic here. Let's go with the classic here. Man, they stopped putting up the Looney Tunes clips. What happened to Looney Tunes, man? What happened to our old cartoons, man? The Lone Ranger.
Aesthetics are an important part of how I work.
Ay,
My
ay,
name
ay.
is Marisol Arteaga. I
Okay,
do
Marisol,
contemporary.
por favor.
The Lone Ranger. A fiery horse with the speed of light, a cloud of dust, and the hearty Hi-Yo Silver. The Lone Ranger.
That's it? He didn't even say it. Fucking bullshit. All right, SPY fresh lows. I think you get a spike down on this NVIDIA here. Let me sell more calls. Let's do that. All right, so I sold 100 of those. Sold 100 of the calls. I think you fade this NVIDIA here. But again, it's just gonna be quick shit in and out. KRE got fucking punished here. Pac West here still selling. That Nvidia is still trading 380, but I like the 375s. Nice program down there. Melly, so Aquatech, I've been looking at this thing, man. I want to short this thing so badly, bro, but I don't have the stones to do it. And here's the thing, it might, if we're not a sell on SPY down here, we can't get size on Melly because we're gonna get fucking destroyed. That's what's gonna happen. You know, there's a Boeing. You know, I was popping the Boeing, but but again, what do we really know about it? You got the selling here on SPY now. This looks like stuff's starting to pick up here. Whew. Nice program down. What's the lows of yesterday on SPY? It's right here, right? All right. We could go for this. We could go for the short. China CPI. Isn't there data coming out at 10 o'clock? What's coming out at 10 o'clock? Somebody tell me what's coming out at 10 o'clock. Um, it looks interesting, man. GS, banks, all these things down. And then if they're able to sell, NVIDIA, wholesale inventories, I don't think we care. I'm gonna try for some SPY puts. Let's try. Let's try and see what happens. Okay, so SPY's trading 426. Let's take a look at some flow here. Let's see if anybody else is buying some shit. SPY 426 puts. Somebody just bought a couple of minutes ago, right? So if we buy the 426 puts, they're going for 86 cents. We could buy. Let's just have this up on the radar here. Hopefully we get some kind of rally. What else are they buying? Are they buying anything else, guys? I mean, and then the other question is stuff really down? That Boeing 214, long vol and short the puts on the three large cap miners. Cheers. Have a good one. Take care, Matt. CVNA, XLU, utilities. This Boeing, it's the Boeing. It's not brown, it's not cream. It's somewhere in between. Damn, this spread is shit. All right, I'm gonna sell a heart of the Boeing. I don't know why. It's more like fucking boredom here in reality. All right, pop here on SPY. That's where you should get a better cost on your options. Right, so let's go ahead and buy 50 of the SPY puts. All right, so we bought some SPY puts here. MBLY. It's Mobileye. Anybody trade this thing? MBLY. Uh, whatever. Video here doing nothing. I mean, I guess we could fade it, but Meta here pop back to 263. That was a nice pop. If we take a look at the banks here, they're doing nothing. Still at kind of at lows. Aaron, I agree. I agree. HD having another day. HD having another day. You know what I mean? So HD, BA, those kinds of names are rolling higher. Whew. Mano. Holding 2-4. Yeah, yeah. CVNA, yeah. Remember, we got the short calls for 100 of those, you know. So if I can make 10 grand there, whatever. BA sweeps. Give me the sweeps. What are they sweeping? What are they sweeping? Somebody bought some Pack W this morning. Somebody bought some 10 calls on Pack W this morning. And that wasn't me. Obviously, they got smoked on that one. Nvidia here over 380. These puts are smoked here. Anybody who went for those is getting rocked. BA at the highs. BA at the highs. I'd like to kind of get shares of this, but man, ain't gonna do it. We could sell more puts on the BA. We definitely could, but I don't know. Guess we'll leave it at that. Um, let me cover the Pinterest short options because they're pretty much premed out. Let me cover those so I can get the leverage back. BA here, 215. 215 on the BA. Yeah, let's dump these. Wait, wait. 25 and a half by 27, right? Yeah. Okay, so we close these. Okay, and then we close the other ones. Let's let's kill the 25 by 26.5 here. We'll kill these. We made some money here. Close these out. If I can even close them out. Let's keep the order out. Okay. What else do we got? All right. GP Raber is talking about. Oh, the BA. What are they buying? Two what? Okay, let me go ahead and buy. I'm gonna buy some more spy puts. Eh, yeah, I'll buy a quarter more. I bought 25 more spy puts. I don't really like it, but we're minus 100 CM now. It's, but it's the IWM. It's the IWM, which you know AJ is still holding. AJ, you still holding it, right? Jesus, fucking AJ, bastard. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and short some more spy. Okay, so I got 100 of those. I got 100 spy puts. We're at lows on spy. All right. I mean, we have the short calls. We have the short calls, and we're long some puts on spy. So let's go for 225. Let's go for 425 on spy. Let's see if we can get it. All right. There's your program down. Nvidia here just kind of sold a little bit, but nothing crazy. Mastercard and Visa are selling pretty aggressively. Um, Nas rolling over. Let's take a look back at that BA. BA 215 here. Mo Chips is saying like the mirror image of yesterday's action. Uh, yes and no. Remember, we had clean selling on tech yesterday. Today, we're not really seeing it yet. I mean, I don't have shit. I really don't have shit. Silver here is at the highs. That's the only thing I got that's working. Silver. Silver. Ask Chrissy Trades. The market's been open for 20 minutes. This motherfucker's talking about today. Yo, Ben, I've been watching this in video like a hawk, man. The options, these fucking put options, they said it from the beginning, man. They started to trash them right off the open. That's a big pop on Nvidia here. That's a big pop. That is a big pop. BA 215. Guys, I really got nothing here. I mean, I'm short the 100 of the short calls. All right. I got nothing. What do y'all got? You got anything? You got something good for me? Y'all ain't got nothing good. You got something good? Somebody got something good? Tech's holding up the market. I don't. Well, yeah, I guess so. Baba, yeah. Baba and the BA and the BA. Other than that, I got nothing. And when I got nothing, it's time to get the fuck up out of here. Thomas is saying buy KRE on the dip. I mean, I suppose I could do that. It's still at lows. It's still at lows. This Pac West dumped. Dumped. Sophie. Sophie. Nice pop though on that Nvidia, man. For real. For real. It's a 7-point move back up. Yeah, the Roku's got still that rotation, guys. Al B. Lazo saying my Steam Room membership having issues. Matt, this guy's saying check your inbox. He said his Steam Room membership having issues, can't access. Oh, which inbox, man? Did you email Matt at sangluch.com? What's that? Yeah. He's saying he doesn't have any emails, bro. What, Albie, talk to me. He sent email to the general account. Man, guys. He's going to get back to you ASAP here. He replied to the welcome to Steam Room message. All right. SPY still holding up. Looks like you might get another push higher even. Who knows? Let's see. Boeing here doing absolutely nothing. We got the Pinterest here doing nothing. And then that CVNA held pretty good though. Yeah, 1870. Now maybe you short the Nvidia? Nah. Pop on SPY. MVIS. I forgot about this thing. This thing still can't sell off the MVIS. Yeah, is it easy? Is it easy to get shares here? MVIS. Let's see if we can get some shares. Yeah, easy to get shares. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I got nothing. I got nothing. This is perfect. This looks like a great environment, though, to sell both sides, kind of thing. My short calls here are meh. This is mostly just meh, guys. It's fucking meh. All right, yo. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna be here for most of the day though. Is the thing. Spy range around 40, 430 to 426. I mean, that's a big range. You know, it's a big range. So if you're talking about that whole full range, I mean, it's a big deal. Fade here on the Nvidia, small fade. BA still holding. Silver here. Fresh highs on the silver. Fresh highs on the silver. We're making money there. Rico is saying, do I ever trade commodity stocks and futures? Yeah. Trade gold. Yeah. Trade all that shit all the time. All right, guys. Peace out tomorrow. Listen, I will not be on the stream. I'm going to be in the DR. I'm going to be in the DR. All right. Jay Do, Lucci, I want to come to PR trade in the last week of June. Is this a good time? I mean, the good time is when we actually have fucking desks available. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I need you to do. And seriously, if I tell you to do this and you don't do this, you're an asshole. An asshole. All right. You're gonna go to tradespace.us. Step number one. I'm gonna put the link in here right now. Okay. You're gonna sign up. Put in your fucking information. You're gonna tell us what day you want to come down, and then we are going to figure out if we have a desk, and then we'll let you know exactly when we have a desk, and boom, you come through, bro. Last week in June, man, it's always a good time to come down here, bro. Always. Remember, it's summertime. Oof. Spy Pop. Duke Trask is saying, is lunch included? No, lunch is not included. Yeah, bid zero. Come through, man. Come through. Let's play. I'm actually playing with one of the boys in the office next week. Um, anyways, those spy puts are doing terrible. The short spy calls are starting to go against me here too. Um, the banks here are not even trading back up. Wow. Wow here on SPY. All right, I'm going to add one more. UG Font is saying shorting SPY is too difficult now. Yep, I agree. Yeah, yeah, that GME short does look good. Carvana. So, somebody saying still trying to short snow. Blah 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 blah. Where's that BA? BA 215 and change, right? I'm really noticing the fact that a lot of names didn't even move up. None of the banks moved up during that pop. None of them. None of them. Miss Nvidia barely moved up during that pop. This is fucking trash, man. This is fucking, seriously, this is trash. I'm gonna drink some water, fucking take a nap. Shit, I might even take a shower, man. Fucking head hurts. All right, everybody, take care, and I will see you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, no, I won't see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll stream from BA 216 here. 216 on the BA. Damn. I don't have any more of that. We should get some stock on this thing. Yo, Ranchero, are you in here? BA gets sued for intellectual rights violation? I don't think that shit even mattered anyway. That stuff looks good, though. All right. Everybody, take care, and I'll see you Monday. All right?